Hello, kindergarten. Did you practice your numbers and your two-dimensional shapes and your three-dimensional shapes? Remember, even though you might be saying, I know all of this already, I want you to keep practicing because if you don't use it, you might lose it. We've got to keep that muscle, our brain, working hard every day. Hey, I have a game for us to play. Would you please go find some Play-Doh and then come back and we will play my game. All right, if you have your Play-Doh, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to describe a shape to you, and I want you to make it with your Play-Doh. The shapes that I will be describing to you are going to be three-dimensional shapes. So make sure you have that Play-Doh handy. Here we go. The first shape I am describing has 0 vertices. It has 0 edges. And it only has one face. 0 vertices, 0 edges, and 1 face. See if you can make that shape. Kindergarten, did you make a sphere? A sphere is what I was describing. It has 0 vertices, no pointy parts. It has 0 edges, and it only has 1 face, and it goes all the way around. All right, kindergarten, take that Play-Doh, squish it, squish it, squish it, and here is your next shape. Your next shape. This shape has 2 faces. One is flat and one is round. It has 1 round edge and it only has 1 vertex, 1 apex or point. Go see if you can make that shape. Did you make a cone? That's as good as I can make one. I bet yours looks awesome. All right, kindergarten, take your Play-Doh, squish it, squish it, squish it. Let's look at that cone one more time. It has 1 flat face. It has 1 round face. It has 1 edge that goes all the way around, and it only has 1 vertex, 1 apex, 1 pointy part. Did you squish up your Play-Doh? Whoop, I almost lost our cone there. All right, kindergarten, let's build our next shape. Your next shape has 3 faces. 2 of them are flat, 1 of them is round. It also has 2 edges. Both of those edges are round. It has no vertex. I'll say that again. It has 3 faces. 1 is round, 2 are flat. It has 2 edges. Both of them are round. No vertex, no vertices. Go make that shape. Did you make a cylinder? Awesome job, kindergarten. We have cylinders. A cylinder has 3 faces, 1, 2, and 3. 2 of them are flat. 1 of them is round. It also has 2 edges, 1 here and 1 here. No vertices, no pointy parts for this one. Are you ready for our last shape? It has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Oh, let me say that again. It has 8 faces. No, it has 6 faces. It has 12 edges, and it has 8 vertices. Woo, it has a lot going on. All right, kindergarten, go make that shape, and then I will see you when you're done. Did you make a cube? A cube, kindergarten. Let's count up all these faces one more time because remember, it has a lot going on. A cube has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. None of them are round. They're all flat. It also has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 12 edges. And kindergarten, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. Wow, kindergarten. Would you please go and find your shapes around your house that are shaped like a cube, a cylinder, a sphere, and a cone. We're going to do some movements with them next. If you don't have anything around your house shaped like this, you can take your Play-Doh and you can break it apart and you can mold it so that you have like little mini 3D shapes, okay? So either go and find your 3D shapes around the house or just take your Play-Doh and make little tiny ones and then we'll make them move when we come back. Okie dokie artichokes, let's make these shapes move. The first shape I want you to grab is your cylinder. Do you have your cylinder? Can you make it slide? It has 2 flat parts. 2 flat faces so you can make it slide on either side. What else can it do? It can roll. Make your cylinder roll. See how far you can make it roll. Oh, mine almost hit my computer. All right, kindergarten. And the last thing it can do, it can stack. I want you to also grab your cube and see if you can stack it on top. Good. See if you can stack it this way. Can anyone get it to balance? I got mine to balance. But remember, in order for it to stack nice and sturdy, it has to be on its flat part. Can you stack the cube on top of it? Nice. Okay, take that cylinder, say goodbye, cylinder. Put it over on the side. Let's hang out with that cube a little bit more. Kindergarten, this cube, can you make it roll? No, you cannot make it roll because it doesn't have any round parts. Can you make it slide? Yes, you can. It can slide all over the place. Can you make it stack? Grab that cylinder back. Say, get back here, cylinder. Can you stack that cube on top of the cylinder? Very nice. Can you stack the cylinder on top of the cube? Very nice. Can we stack it using one of its vertices? Can you get it to balance? I cannot. Mine won't do that. All right, say goodbye to these 2 for now. Let's pull our sphere over. Make sure that your sphere doesn't roll away, kindergarten. All right. Can you make your sphere slide? Nope, no flat parts. Can you make it stack? Grab one of your other shapes. It might roll off. Can anyone get it to balance? It balances, but if I move that cylinder, it's gonna fall off. All right, kindergarten, the only thing our sphere can do is roll. It can roll and roll and roll all day long. All right, say, see you later, sphere. Pull that cone on over. Our cone, can it roll? Yes, it can. Lay your cone on its side and watch as it rolls into a circle. Isn't that pretty neat how it just rolls into a circle? It doesn't go anywhere. It just stays right there. Kindergarten, can it slide? Does it slide this way? No, not on its vertex. It slides on its face, its flat face right here. Slide it all over the place. Awesome, kindergarten. And it can stack, can't it? Grab one of your other shapes. Does it stack this way? Nope, because it might roll off. Oh dear. Can it stack this way? If you can get it to balance, that'd be awesome, kindergarten, but mine won't stay. Can we stack it this way? Yes, we can. If I move this, it's not going to come off so easily. Woo! That time it did. But it stays on here a lot more sturdier than it would if I had it on its side. Kindergarten, can I stack anything on top of it? Nope, it won't stay. If you could get it to balance, that'd be cool too. But it still won't really stack as sturdy, as strong as we need it to. All right, kindergarten. Ooh, that was loud. Let's look at our shapes one more time. This is a cone. Can you think of something in the real world shaped like a cone? I'm thinking of a party hat. This is a cube. Can you think of something in the real world shaped like a cube? I'm thinking of an ice cube. This is a sphere. Can you think of anything in the world shaped like a sphere? I'm thinking of a clown nose. Honk, honk. And kindergarten, this is a cylinder. Can you think of anything in the world shaped like a cylinder? I'm thinking of a glass of water. Tastes good. All right, kindergarten. Thank you for hanging out with me and practicing your shapes one more time. Feel free to keep making those shapes with that Play-Doh you have. And I will see you at another time. Bye. Of course I'm back so we can count our warm fuzzies, but first I owe you one for phonics and I owe you one for math. Let's count all of these warm fuzzies. Whoa, kindergarten. Would you please count with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be right back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Kindergarten 19 warm fuzzies this week. That's outstanding. That is amazing. Good job, guys. I will start our bucket all over again for Monday, and we will see how many warm fuzzies we can get next week. Adios, muchachos. Have a wonderful weekend. Go relax. Go have fun.